So hi, Dangvy Keller, Vice President of the Americas for Distribution Sales at Veeam.
Cheryl Neal, Vice President of our Data and Networking Group within Tech Data.
So Cheryl, can you, thanks for your partnership and your sponsorship here at VeeamON. And looking forward to continuing to work and grow the business with you. Can you talk a little bit about how Veeam helps your company deliver business continuity and hyper availability to partners and customers?
Absolutely. So as one of the world's largest technology distributors, we're working with our customers, and our customers are actually our mutual partners, our VARs, our SIs, our ISVs, our MSPs. They come in a lot of different flavors these days.
Yes.
And really they're focused on driving and delivering business outcomes. No longer is it a point solution. It really has to be that all-encompassing solution. So whether they're trying to drive to digital transformation, hybrid cloud, or working on delivering kind of that data protection, Veeam is a great solution, and data is at the core of everything. So with data being at the core, it no longer is availability important, it's that hyper availability. It has to be always on, and with Veeam solutions, the messaging that we heard at this conference and everything that our partners are telling us, this is a great one to include in that business outcome kind of discussion. And additionally, as Tech Data, we're enabling them to really focus on that next gen and that third platform. And Veeam is a very complementary solution into driving those digital transformation and next gen kind of technologies.
Well, what are some of the opportunities that you've seen from Veeam, right? That with your partners, some of the things that I know we're working all together on a lot of things.
Yes, we are.
But if you can just talk about a couple of the opportunities that you've seen come up with Veeam and some of your partners, that'd be great to share.
Sure. As one of the largest distributors with your alliance partners, partners like Cisco and NetApp and HPE and Nutanix and Microsoft and many others, this is creating a really, really solid opportunity for our partners. With that alliance partnership, that just speaks to that whole solutions message that I mentioned a moment ago, that you're not selling the point solution, you're selling everything together, and that ecosystem and providing that to our partners is critical. Another key point to that is when you're selling some of those alliance partnerships, we found that Veeam actually helps make that opportunity larger for the NetApps, the HPEs, the Ciscos, and some of your alliances. And that creates more opportunity for our partners. And another one that we found that I think is going to be the next evolution is around the cloud solutions. When partners are delivering with AWS or Azure or some of the others, they can leverage Tech Data's Stream One platform, combining that with Veeam, and putting that all together to, again, solve for that business outcome that their customers are looking for.
Well, I appreciate you taking the time. So any messaging about Tech Data that you want to leave with our audience today?
Yes, so Tech Data is absolutely here to help enable and support our partners as they're looking for that next gen technology and that third platform. And we want to provide that support that they need to help migrate and move to that to support their customers. And we're focused on data analytics and security and IoT and cloud and the services and everything wrapped around that. And incorporating Veeam into all of that helps to round out the solution. And we're here to help support them and help drive our mutual business together.
Well, appreciate the partnership. Looking forward to growing the business. And hope to see you soon. Thank you.
Thank you.